capillary bridges. Yep. Have you ever heard that term before? Listen to what I'm about to tell you. A homeowner can usually tell right away what's causing a massive leak in their home, but sometimes the leak is invisible. That is because water molecules can move by capillarity through structural materials. That's what I say it. And we call this capillary bridges. Now you know. Capillary bridges can form due to wrongly installed materials, cracks, defective pipes with a leak, or a lack of waterproofing. Electrostatic forces between the building materials can help water molecules travel horizontally and even vertically between the materials. It's true. These water molecules can saturate the wood studs, the insulation, subflooring, and any other unprotected materials in the area. And because the water drip is not visible, it will cause the materials to slowly disintegrate. And it could take years and sometimes even decades before you know what's happening. And then one day a large crack appears in your shower and all of the saturated materials have lost their stability and collapsed. Please buy our book because we are on your side. We want to help you create beautiful, long-lasting, stable projects in your home. The book is available on our website, what'swrongwithmybathroom.com, in paperback and ebook version.